Transforming GMAT score from a 570 to a sky-high 720. Think it's a dream? Well, I turned it into a reality. Journeying through GMAT wasn't an easy task. It was a roller coaster. Yet, I braved the highs and lows. Want to know how? Here's the golden nugget. It's not about perfection. It's about persistence. I stumbled, I made mistakes, yet I fought back and scored a Q50. With GMATWhiz in my corner, learning was never a struggle. Their techniques turned my prep journey from a maze into a clearly marked path. Next hurdle, B-School applications. That's where GMATWhiz stepped in again, shaping my essays, refining my interview skills, and turning my roadblocks into stepping stones. They made an uphill battle look like a rewarding journey. I'm a proud ISB Alum now. Your dreams are within your reach too. Dare to start and success will follow.